Welcome to my channel, Here's How I Do It. I was inspired to start this channel because my dad often asks me for help with technology. I show him how I do it, which is what I'll be doing here in these videos, breaking it down into simple steps that are easy to follow so that you too can do things that you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take screenshots on a Mac. There are three different ways I'm going to show you. One takes a screenshot of everything, one takes a screenshot of a selected area, and the third takes a screenshot of a single window. First, we'll take a screenshot of the whole screen. Command-Shift-3. And there you go. And it saves the screenshot to the desktop. Next one is Command-Shift-4. You click with the left mouse button, drag, release, and that takes a screenshot of just the area. Now the third way to take a screenshot of an entire window is Command-Shift-4 and then push the space bar. And then just click and it'll record the screenshot. So those are the three ways. You have a full screenshot with Command-Shift-3. You can select an area with Command-Shift-4 and then click and drag and release. Or you can get the screenshot of a specific window by doing Command-Shift-4 and then pressing spacebar. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe so that you can get all upcoming content. If you have any comments, I'll be happy to read them and respond. If you have any suggestions or things that you want me to cover, include them in your comments. I'll look forward to that. Thanks.